students, good morning everyone. Let's start. So see the first problem here. A school building is to be constructed at a cost of 72 lakhs 5,695 rupees. So the school committee donated 56 lakhs 94,083 rupees. How much more money required to complete the building? See here, a school building is to be constructed at a cost of. So here a school building is to be constructed. So here the amount to construct total building is 72 lakhs 5,695 rupees. But the school company has only 56 lakhs 94,083 rupees. How much more money required to complete the building? So he is asking for how much more extra money. Here the school has only 56 lakhs rupees. Okay, so how much money required? How much extra money required to complete the construction of the building? See here. So first write what is given in the question. Amount required to construct building. Take it as building. So what is the amount required to construct a building? 72 lakhs 5,695 rupees. And donation by school. How much school donated? School donated 56 lakhs 94,083 rupees. Now we have to find the remaining amount. Remaining amount equal to 72 lakhs 5,695 minus 56 lakhs 94,083. So here we have to subtract 56 lakhs 94,083 from this 72 lakhs 5,695. So do subtraction here. 72 lakhs 5,695 minus 56 lakhs 94,083 rupees. So 5 minus 3 2, 9 minus 8 1, 6 minus 0 6, 5 minus 4 1. Here if you see here, I am taking one power from here to here, it will become 10, 10 minus 9 1, and here we have only 1. If you see it is 71 minus 56, so it is 4 plus 11 15. Okay, and if you take one power it becomes 11 minus 6 5, and 6 minus 1 15. So it is Rs 15 lakhs 11,612 rupees. The amount required, the extra amount required to complete the school building construction is 15 lakhs 11,612 rupees. Okay children, now see another question. A petrol tanker carries 3,475 liters of petrol. How many liters of petrol can be carried by 482 tankers? A petrol tanker, here only one petrol tanker. If you see the petrol tanker is like this. A lorry has some wheels and okay, I'm not good at dance, just you think it is a petrol tanker. So this tanker carries 3,475 liters of petrol. Okay, and if a truck carries this amount of petrol, then 482 tankers, like these tankers are 482 tankers, carries how much petrol? Okay, see here. So first write what is given in the question. Number of liters of petrol carried by a tanker. How many liters? 3,475 liters. So number of trucks or number of tankers. How many tankers we have? We have 482 tankers. Therefore, total number of liters of petrol. We want to total number of liters of petrol, then we have to multiply this 3475 with this 482. 3475 into 482. Now multiply these two numbers, 3475 into 482. First multiply with 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 50, again 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6. And I am leaving this place, I am multiplying with 8, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4, 60, 6 carry, and 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 3 carry, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27. And now I am leaving these two places and multiplying with 4, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 1 carry, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So here 1 carry, that I forgot that 13. So 0 here, 5, 9, and 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carry. If you add to 7, 18, 17 total, 1 carry, 3 plus 3, 6. So how many liters of petrol we have? 16 lakhs 74,950 liters of petrol. Okay, so total number of tankers 482 tankers. These 482 tankers takes 16,74,950 liters of petrol. Okay, children. Now I will give some homework problems to you. Okay, see page number 2 and question number 11 and 12. These two questions. Find the products, find the quotient and remainder in each of the following divisions. Answered by the verified by rule of division. So do these two problems as homework, children. Okay, children, thank you. Bye. See you in next class.